Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today I would like to talk only about Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, trading pair with my customer Grisser. Let's dive in. First of all, I don't think so. 73,777 was the last all-time high for this cycle. So this is one take. How high we can pump? Basically, I would like to show you the targets. I remind you once again the targets. So personally for me, all levels are relevant, and the problem is I don't think so. We will go over than 127k that cycle. So 91, 348, 127k and 430. This take and 163k 513 just approximately can be the top for Bitcoin. We got levels. All right, so I think yes, we will see the new all-time high. Maybe not even this year, maybe next one. Now we got that model. We got one touch, second touch, and one touch, second touch. But I already explained to you all that touches. You know, it's just totally subjective moments, because someone will draw that lines based on let's say weekly time frame. Someone will draw based on a daily time frame. Someone will draw based on let's take a look, based on a line chart. So on line chart it looks absolutely different, right, without that weeks. All right, so I mark the tops. So if we trade, yes, in that wedge, you know, we can test 46,889, 42, 271. It's a buy line on the daily time frame. Take profit indicator. This is a 70k22. It's the top of that wedge, and 83,991. It's the top of this one. This is what I'm talking about. This one. This is the top of take profit. But take a look. The lines are dynamic. So I posted that things in August 28, and like you can see, the take profit now 1k lower. Now the take profit line is here. So that's a problem. That's a problem. So we're going down. So the lines curve down, and the support lines also curve down. It's kind of bad. So imagine that smell if we will see that drop to 40k, 41 at this current moment. It's 41.77. It will be pretty weird because everybody mostly drove that wedge like this one by these 2k touches. But what if the wedge is like this one? And it's weird, not about Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, I think everything okay. You know, we got a correction. So even if we dump to the buy line, it will be the correction like 43%. It's okay. The problem with the market, altcoins going to hell. And yes, guys, this cycle absolutely different, because Bitcoin dominance now over than 57%, Bitcoin going down, and altcoins, Bitcoin lose 43%, for example, altcoins lose 43 after 43 after 43. So that's a point. And that's a main headache of that cycle and the problem with the Bitcoin. Of course, like usual, guys, of course, I hate to believe we will drop to buy line on the daily time frame. And of course, I hope like everyone. So yes, they start to cut rates and blah, 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 all that stuff. And we go into the moon. Yes, everybody wish to see. But I will be so impressed if one more time we will dump to the buy line again, which nobody expected. And I can't even imagine what will happen with the altcoins. This is not a thought or I want to scare you. Of course, guys, my portfolio also down, more or less, you know. And but the main things, it's investment portfolio. So I invest that money what I can afford to invest at this current lifetime moment. So I don't need that money for a living. But a lot of people just invested money now, for example, because they listen to someone and wait some returns, you know, in October, for example, or November. Investment doesn't work like this one. So unfortunately, guys, the flash crash can be from this current price 25%. hope guys will not drop that low. I hope that was less a stop for that correction now, because we're already here. We're already close at the full fill of that monthly gap. The highest point 48,969, lowest point 49, almost a few dollars. We closed that gap. So here's the next one. It's 38K 361. Next one is 35. Weekly time frame. What I don't like we come back and test again the take profit line on the weekly, and the buy line on the weekly. Now it's 27,900. Of course, I don't think so. We'll drop to 27 because it's going to be the confirmation of the bear market. Absolutely. But yes, 41, it's more than okay to test. But I hope we'll hold the line now and start moving forward. And take a look at the weekly gap. Done here. Once again, we retest it. And also interesting moments here. When we got that week candle, exactly week. I mean, this monthly week. Take a look how it playing out. We come back and test 0.61 level above fib of that week. So guys, my take, I hope we'll hold the line. If we check the Heikin candles, this is a downtrend. So the fair price now, approximately by Heikin candles on a monthly, it's 56,400. On the weekly time frame, it's 55,981, and the daily time frame, it's 54. Yes, so around 54K. So a little bit lower. So on Heikin, yes, absolutely at the same levels. So guys, for Bitcoin, I hope we hold the line and going higher because of seasonality. Like October should be the green months, and the United States election. Let's take a look with indicators. Weekly time frame, sell, no signal to buy back. So it's kind of weird. Daily time frame, it was a signal to buy. We bounce it, but of course, guys, it's just a daily one. So of course we bounce it and then 20% pump. Now signal to close position and no signal to buy again. It's kind of weird. Take a look. Let's close that one. Take a look at money power here. Money inflow, money outflow. At the top, no new money inflow. It's kind of bad. Weekly time frame. Also, what I don't like money outflow was here in November at 35. Then we got a RSI bearish divergence on a weekly at 72K. So yes, I miss it that top, and I'm not out of altcoins because I made a mistake. Also, I'm not out of altcoins because I thought that Bitcoin can go to correction and the Bitcoin dominance going to correction, but it's not happen. And the altcoins dump it lower, even the Bitcoin going to correction by price. And here, no signal to money inflow. So I would like to see, of course, at least some signal money inflow on the weekly time frame. Unfortunately, no day. Let's take a look on the Heikin. Looks better here. All that time period here, money inflow. Last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Weekly time frame, money outflow. So they fix a profit, and now it's good. At 54,260, we saw the money inflow on Heikin. It's really important because the Heikin candles count in average. So this is it. No divergences. Now, markets more. Yes, we still a little bit come down, but still overhype it. This is what I don't like. We need to see some like hope. So last time, take a look. It was a top, and then we dump it to positive zone, then positive again, and pump again. Now we don't see any positive. So it's still true zone. All right, daily time frame, at least we can talk about capitulation. On the daily, yes, it's capitulation. So here, capitulation, pump 20%, apria, dump, capitulation, pump 20%, dumb capitulation. So this is it. For continuation, of course, we need to see something like this one by classic TA and reversal in October. And everybody gonna scream once again to the moon. Last two indicators, trade direction. Direction here, weekly time frame. Yes, once again, I skipped that one. I'm not tracking the Bitcoin so often. Was pure signals to out of that token. The same story was here. So this is how it works. And ADZ on weekly. What is good? We're in accumulation. We've been in accumulation here, and it would be good to see one more accumulation and pump. And also here was a pure divergency. So from 44,700 till 69 around this one, we formed the weekly divergency on the chart and on ADZ. So it was a pure signal to fix some profit, but I repeat, I made a mistake because I'm not a fix the profit from the altcoins, you know. Even if it's a investment portfolio, it could be not a mistake to fix a profit and re-enter again now. But take a look on a weekly time frame, no accumulation stages on the direction. So guys, all targets by price I showed you, all data with my customer reset I showed you. My take is like conclusion. I still think worst case scenario, it's a test of the buy line. Unfortunately, I hope this indicator will not play out so correct. And now we will see the lag of that indicator and we not drop to 41K with weak candle or without. And we just continue rally higher to breaking out 70K and 82. But everything can happen, guys. And the main take is targets over then here, 91, 127 for that cycle, and maybe 163, but I don't think so, because I don't think so we got enough time to pump that high. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your take for Bitcoin next month or by end of this year. If you would like to trade with my custom makers, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.